Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to record with Canvas Studio using Screencast-o-Matic, a powerful tool built into Canvas that lets you create and share videos directly within your course. From your Canvas dashboard or course navigation menu, click on Studio. This will take you to the main Canvas Studio interface where all your videos are stored. Click the Create button in the top right corner. You will see three options: Studio Capture, Screencast-o-Matic, and Add Media. In this video, we will go over the Screencast-o-Matic option. If it's your first time using Screencast-o-Matic, you may be prompted to download the Screen Recorder Launcher application or allow it to open. This step may vary depending on your device. When Screencast-o-Matic is launched, you will see a black and white frame on your screen, along with a menu containing a recording, settings, pencil, and cancel button. Adjust the frame of your video by dragging on the edges and corners of the frame. Click on the Settings button to edit video preferences such as resolution size, audio input, and what you will be recording, your screen, your webcam, or both. When you are ready, click the red Recording button to begin. While you are recording, you can also click the Pencil button to enable recorder drawing tools to outline, highlight, and emphasize parts of your video. If needed, you can click the Pause button to start and stop your recording at any time to review your video. When you're finished, click on the Pause button and select Done. Give your video a title, a description, and click Upload to upload the video to Canvas Studio. After uploading, your video will appear in your Studio library. From there, you can embed it into a course page, announcement, or assignment using the rich content editor. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to record with Canvas Studio using Screencast-o-Matic. We hope it helps you create more engaging content for your students. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at the links below.